Hey guys, this is Chris Fix. We have a Renault Scenic. I think this is 2012. Let me check. 2011 1.5 diesel. And these are the common problems with these cars, these engines. The engine is misfiring, and in my opinion, I think it's about an injector. But I will show you what's happened. Let's start the engine. So the starting is very poor. It's starting very late. It's misfiring. So we have a anti-pollution system and injection on the dash, and it's running like this, misfiring. If you put the OBD, let's see what code we have. We have the cylinder one, control circuit, open circuit, active, and it's 020113. We have the other ones, but the other ones doesn't have nothing to do with the misfiring. So we have the cylinder one. I already made some checks on the car. Check all the wiring. Everything is fine. And the wires, we have this one, and in my opinion, I think the injector needs to be replaced. I'm waiting for the part to come, and I'm gonna replace the injector on it, and I will check what's happened after this. So I will get back with another video to see if the problem is gonna be sorted after injector replacement. But this is something common. There are plenty of I had plenty of Renaults with the same problem with these engines. And that's it. I'm gonna get back to you after I will when I'm gonna replace the injector. I will show you how to do the job and how the things are going. Thanks for watching, guys.